What if the wind could spread your love? What if your sweetness could reach everyone? There'd be no wars. Maybe the birds will sing about your heart. Maybe the trees will whisper the word. Maybe the sun will spread your joy to the ones who lost their hope.
Good morning. Yesterday I've worked a lot and I've watched a lot of Love is Blind, so I haven't really got time to finish tidying up the place. But today is the day when that's all that we're gonna do. So everything's messy, but I mean, it's not gonna take that long. The only thing that I want to do it properly is organize the kitchen. So let me show you how the shelves turned out. So this is how the shelves turned out, and I just love the vibe. I love how it looks. I've put the trash bags down, but I think I'm gonna move the little thing back. And I've ordered some glass containers to go in here that I'm gonna fill with like dried goods like lentils, pasta, rice, whatever. So that's gonna be it. I've popped my plant in there. Hopefully he's gonna be fine there because he's been struggling to adjust to this new house. And I'll try to style this today in a way that is both practical and cute, because that's the whole point. And then that's all we have to do in the living room. And another huge update, our bed frame arrived yesterday. So my partner is sleeping at the moment, so I'm waiting for him to wake up so that we can put this baby where it should be. So this is how my to-do list looks like today. So I have to post some stuff on Facebook Marketplace, I have to reply to a message, I have to do laundry and wash clothes. I meant to say wash dishes here because this is the same thing. I need to get some screws to install some outdoor lights in the garden, and then I need to return the desk that I showed you that is broken, and then just tidy up this mess. So I'm gonna take it step by step, and I am gonna probably, let me turn away the camera. I'm gonna put something in the background so that something can entertain me. But first I should eat something. I don't know if I have any kind of like breakfast stuff, but I'm sure gonna make myself a cup of tea or a cup of coffee and just sit for like 10 minutes, just enjoying morning.
Fill my head with roses. I can't help but dream away, standing on a field with you and flowers everywhere. Maybe there is a star with your name. One thing I know is that there should be. There is no one a heart as pure, no, not like yours. Dreaming of you. Dreaming of you. Your smile. What if the wind could spread your love? What if your sweetness could reach everyone? There'd be no wars.
So these are my containers. I'm so happy with what I've got. They are amazing and they've been wrapped so so good, like you've seen in the previous clip, but they've had like this bubble wrap on them, and then they've had like a brown paper on them, and then they had this to protect the lid from this the glass. So hands down, the range did a great job. Now I'm just gonna rinse them. I don't know actually if you're supposed to rinse them before use or not, but I'm gonna do it anyways. And then I'm gonna take the label off them, because they have like, oh, I picked up the one without. They have like this little label on them that says cold drinks only, wash before first. Oh, so they are meant to be washed. Not dishwasher safe, and caution glass handle with care. So I have a really long one for pasta, for spaghetti. Then I have 3 of the big ones, the 1 liter ones, and then I have 5 of the smaller ones. I'm thinking I should get more of this, but I'll see. I'll see what I'm gonna fill them with, but now I'm just gonna rinse them and prepare my my produce, my dried goods. Before I rinse them, I'm just gonna load the dishwasher with all the dishes that are out here, because otherwise I don't really have enough space to do that. So I have to empty the one that's in there, if there's anything in there, and then put on another load. So now I've got all of the containers in front of me, I've got the lids, and I've also got, so I've got these stickers that I can use, but I actually think I'm not going to use these ones. And I'm going to use some of the ones that use chalk. I'll compare and I'll see which one I like the most. But let me show you the other one. I don't really know where the other ones are, but I'll find them and I will probably use them. Or I might try to do like some calligraphy with these and put them like that. I'll see. But for now, let's just put the goods in. I've got under the table, I've got rice and flour. It's 2 of the things that I really want to get rid of because they're really messy. I mean, rice is not messy, but flour is. So rice I'm gonna put in one of the big bowls, because I usually have a lot of rice. The thing with doing this is that it's more aesthetic, to be honest. Like, yeah, you don't need to do it, but it looks so nice. I hate having flour, like ripped packages of flour like this, and having to be extra careful when using it, or like having messy stuff. I really hate that. So that's why I love containers like this. And this is not sponsored or anything, but I bought them from the range because they were literally so cheap. The biggest container, I think it was like £3.80, and the small ones were like £2 something. So I haven't found them anywhere else this cheap. Even at IKEA, like I've looked, B&M, everywhere, they were not that cheap. They were like at least £4 for the smallest size. They're usually around £5. So let's do this. I think that's how I'm gonna keep it for now. Just for now. We'll see. Actually, no, I don't like this. Gotta take this out of it. But, and that's where the kitchen towels are gonna go, but I don't have any at the moment, so that's there. But that's how it is so far. I've got my cookbooks there, got all the nice stuff there. I think I'm gonna get 2 more of these so that they will go in the back, and then maybe more of these ones. I'll see. But that's it for now. I've got my tea there, a plant, my strainer, some cereals that I do not like because they kind of mess up the vibe. Let's see how it would look like without them. Oh yeah, that's already so much better. I might keep them out, but I mean, they're good there for storage space. And then I've got my popcorn machine because it's huge and there's no way to put it. And I actually use it quite a lot. So this is the setup so far. I'll see if I'll make any changes. I'll probably have as I use it just to see what I actually use. But this is it so far.